What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check this out. 1967 Chevy Impala SS. Numbers matching. 396 turbojet V8. 4-speed manual transmission. 4-barrel carb. Factory air. 12-bolt rear end with a 336 gear. Original car. Not much has been tampered with it. Just a great example of a fastback. Iconic Impala. Great lines. Beautiful gold lacquer paint. Still has a great shine to it. A couple panels have been touched up over the years, I could tell, but pretty much all original. Let's get up and personal with this one and take a look what's going to be at home with you if you decide to take it. All your chrome's in good shape in front, all your lights, your grille, everything's intact the way it should be. All your lights are working, your wipers are working. Your horn is working. Lines up nice, doesn't it? Won't see many of these. Both sides line up really good. No real flaws on the hood. 396, sitting on American racing wheels. Front fender's in good shape. All your badging's there. It lines up great to the fender. Got vent windows, fender to quarter, or quarter to door I should say, lines up good. Original quarters. All your glass around the whole entire car is all good, no stories. Trunk lines up great. Rear bumper's in good shape, all your lights are there. And the chrome on the rear is good as well. Passenger side, rear quarters all there. Lines up well. Couple tiny little chips I'm seeing have been touched up. Nothing of major. Another little one here. Lines up good to the door, to the fender, fender to the door. A couple little chips in there. All your badging's intact. All your chrome is good. It drives out wonderful. I just took it for the ride. The only thing that's not working properly is the RPM meter. All your gauges are working inside. Back seats with seat belts. Rear deck good. All your headliner. That's a time capsule. All the inside is in great shape. All your carpet's great. All original molds down here and welds. Solid car. 85,000, make it 85,003 on the odometer. No problems with the dash pad. Visors are intact. Dash is in good shape. Take a look at the other door panel. Nice clean car. Original quarters. This one's been painted over, but it's original quarter in here as well. All your weather stripping without the whole entire car's in good shape. No funky noises when I drove it. Clutch is great. Handle's great. And a lot of pull. Trunk's in great shape. Nothing to talk about. Nice car. Air conditioning car, needs a charge and a little working on it. Factory air system. Real clean inside here. Power steering, power brakes. All your belts and hoses are in great shape. Real nice car, folks. Real nice car. Don't come around this often like that. If you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Again, that's mgmclassiccars.com. Minimum down 10%, up to 84 months with good rates. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, approvals within 24 hours, 84 months financing up to, as well as great rates. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, as well as videos are all online. If you have any questions on any of our cars, especially if you need pricing on shipping anywhere in the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed, please call me or text me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 until 2. By appointment only. You can reach me at 773-600-0919 and I will get you in You can visit with the cars or ask any questions that I can help you with. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, share it with your friends. Y'all have a good day.